I chose Dr. Broadway because I've been in before. I had a breast augmentation back in '08, and I was extremely satisfied with my results. And a lot of my friends have been in before, and I've seen a lot of consistency in his work. I'm wanting to change. I want to get rid of this bump right here. I don't want to change too much. I want to make it look like somebody else's nose. My mom says your nose and other facial features represent your heritage, and I definitely don't want to wash all that away. So I just want to tone it down a little bit. I did like the 3D computer imaging. It was a good representation of what we're hoping to achieve through the surgery with my face. It was a really subtle result, but exactly what I was hoping to look for, and it made me feel really comfortable with what I'm about to do. So I don't have a lot of fears about the surgery. I always have hesitation about going under anesthesia, but if I was going to trust anybody with me going under, it would definitely be Dr. Broadway.
My mom's a firm believer that your nose represents your ethnicity or your heritage, and I'm Italian, so she's like, "You've got this beautiful Roman nose, like, why do you want to touch it?" And I'm like, I had her approval. She's like, it's really modest and subtle. And I also went into it knowing I was gonna make very, very, very subtle changes because this is your face. It's the first thing people see. And I went into it knowing I'd rather do less than do more. And I started, especially when I look back at my photos, I didn't realize what a huge change it actually was until I looked back at, like my picture from like high school or whatever, and I was like, oh my God, like I can't even look at it, it's weird. I guess I did feel more confident when like taking a picture or something, because that was my main problem. I didn't think like, in terms of being in front of people, like, oh my God, they're looking at my nose, but it just came out differently in pictures. It all goes into bettering yourself as a person, physically, spiritually, emotionally, I'm happy. I feel better today than I've felt in a while, and I think it has a lot to do with all the changes. It doesn't happen overnight, but like I said, if you feel good about yourself, people are gonna notice that you exert that energy, and